Video number 12, a complete guide to Google reviews. By managing Google reviews, you can showcase your business in the best possible light and minimize the impact that negative reviews or low ratings might have on your brand reputation. In this video, we'll break down how you can monitor, respond to, and generate Google reviews, as well as how you can leverage these reviews to acquire and retain more customers. Why are Google reviews important? Google reviews are important for one reason: your customers look for and trust these reviews. According to online review statistics, Google is the #1 website for online reviews. 63.6% of consumers say they are likely to check reviews on Google through Google Maps and search before visiting a business location, more than any other review site. The link between Google reviews and search results. Google reviews also have a direct impact on where and how prominently companies and brands appear in search engine results. A Moz report suggests that reviews are one of the top factors influencing organic search results on Google, and a top 3 factor influencing which businesses are featured in the Google Maps pack. In terms of local SEO, more reviews mean more information on Google's algorithm. How to track Google reviews. The simplest way to find and track your company's reviews is to use Google My Business, the search engine company's free tool that allows business owners or its representatives to create and verify their own data on Google. To see your Google reviews, just click the Reviews tab on your Google My Business homepage. You'll then be taken to a page that shows you all your reviews, which you can also filter by replied or haven't replied. If you're not logged into GMB, you should still be able to see your reviews appearing in multiple places on the web, such as Google search results and Google Maps. Receiving Google review alerts via email. To help you track review activity, Google My Business will also notify you of any new Google reviews via email. The email notification includes review information such as reviewer name, star rating, a portion of the review text, and a link to the review on Google. Here's what the email looks like. Why have my Google reviews disappeared? There's a variety of reasons why you may be experiencing issues with a Google review not showing up. This often has to do with one of 2 things: issues with your Google My Business listing or problems with the formatting of the Google review. Google My Business listing issues: inaccurate listing information, duplicate listings, inactive listings, and Google outages. Google reviews formatting issues: reviews marked as spam, reviews with links and URLs, fake reviews, and private or deleted reviews. How to respond to reviews using GMB. To respond to Google reviews, log into your Google My Business account and select the location with the reviews you want to manage. Then click the Reviews tab on the Listings GMB homepage. When you land on the Reviews page, you'll see each individual review that has been posted on your business listing organized by default by date. From there, you can respond to each individual review by clicking the Reply button. Please note that your reply will be displayed publicly on Google and must comply with Google review policy. You can also edit your review responses to clean up typos or update what was originally written. Each review that has been responded to will appear with an Edit button for updating your replies. How to get more Google reviews. Here are some effective ways you can get Google reviews for your company and build up your brand's online presence. 1. Use email. One option is to integrate your review request into your Customer Relationship Management (CRM) or Point of Sale (POS) system. If you're sending a message to customers, be sure to add a link to your Google business listing so that it will only take them a few clicks to share their experience. Another option is to utilize review generation tools within your local SEO software. 2. Send SMS campaigns. If you're syncing your point of sale system to send email alerts to customers, you can also send SMS requests. SMS open rates are significantly higher than email and can drive better engagement and more reviews. 3. Use Google My Business Marketing Kit. The GMB Marketing Kit lets you create, download, and print personalized marketing materials and turn your reviews and business information into ready-to-use social posts, stickers, posters, and more. The messaging in Google review stickers and other similar materials centers around promoting your business using customer testimonials or requesting customers to find your business on Google and share their photos and reviews on the site. 4. Create a Google Reviews link. Creating a unique Google Reviews link and sharing it with your customers encourages them to review your business on Google. Can I share Google reviews on my website? Showcasing your best and highest rated reviews on your website is a great way to provide social proof, boost consumer confidence, and encourage user interaction. Reviews also often serve as the final push people need to convert from being users to being customers. Simply put, authentic, positive reviews on your website leverages the power of testimonial-based marketing. Can I delete or edit Google reviews? Here's the short answer. Companies can't delete any review on their Google business listings. Brands cannot edit Google reviews. If there's a review of your business on Google that you do not agree with, the best practice is to respond to the review or engage with the customer directly. In certain situations, this can even result in the customer updating their review. How many Google reviews does my business need? Based on user reports, you need at least 4 to 5 Google ratings and reviews for these to appear in search results. Even with just 4 reviews, though, your business information can appear on Google search. However, you won't necessarily get the star treatment. For your overall rating to appear alongside your business listing on search results, you'll need at least 5 reviews. Google reviews play an important role in how today's consumers discover and judge businesses. By tracking, responding to, and generating reviews on Google, and by applying best practices in reputation management, you can improve your brand search visibility, outperform competitors, and acquire more customers. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video lesson.